Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Sameera Salim al-Mawali. I'm from CPS. And today I'm going to show you how to use a very powerful tool called Tactiq. Well, if you attend a lot of online meetings, lectures, give online classes, or online sessions like discussions, this tool can save you a huge amount of time by automatically capturing notes, highlighting key points, and even generating summaries and slides. Isn't that cool? By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to install Tactiq, how to set it up, and how to use it. We will talk about adding it to Chrome, choosing the platform, and then finding the result of the meeting or the output of Tactiq. Okay, so let's start first with what is Tactiq? Tactiq is a Chrome extension that transcribes and summarizes your meetings in real time. No AI put in the call. And talking about meetings, like online meetings, let's talk about the platforms that support Tactiq. Tactiq is a Chrome extension, as I said, that works with platforms like Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. I myself, most of the time, or maybe all the time, I go to Google Meet. Okay, now, and as we said, it can produce transcriptions, it has action items, and it can summarize, all the meetings or the online sessions, and giving you full summaries or brief summaries or slides. Okay, where to find it? Well, because it is it's a Chrome extension, it means you need to go to Chrome Web Store. For those who are not very familiar with Chrome Web Store, it's just like, if you want to download an app on your phone, like for example, iPhone, you go to the App Store. So here we go for Chrome Web Store. You find Chrome Web Store on the homepage of your Google. So you go to open Chrome, just open the Chrome Web Store, which looks like this. And then you need to type Tactiq in the search bar. So this is the search bar, okay? When you type, you will get, the extension. But, just to, highlight it from the beginning, these slides in this tutorial video are designed by ChatGPT. So the icon of Tactiq is not actually this, it's this one. It's a kind of a small cloud with 3 circles on the top, okay? And then you just click after you find it and then add it to Chrome. Okay, so this is, when you find it, you just add it to Chrome. Okay, after adding it to Chrome, okay, you just click here. It will ask you for the permissions, okay? Now, you will get a notification like this one saying Tactiq has been added to Chrome. So it is there now. Okay, it will ask you to customize your setup by choosing platforms you want, Tactiq to be linked to. You can choose more than one. You can choose all of them by ticking the boxes here. Okay. Now, you need, to connect it to a Google account, okay, either by signing in with Google or entering your own email. Okay, and why do we need to, to connect it into a Google account? Because that will help us save, it will save transcripts. It will make accessing, AI summaries, available. And of course, it will, your all devices will be, synchronized with each other. Okay. Now, it's a good, idea to pin any extension you add to Chrome and to pin it very, It's very easy. What you can do is just, go to the extension icon, which looks like a puzzle icon on the top of the, of your homepage. You will find it next to, it's on the right top side of the homepage, very close to your Google profile, and it looks like a puzzle icon. When you click it, you can see drop-down menu with all the extensions you have already added. If you haven't added any extension before, Tactiq could be the only one there. So when next to each extension, you will find an icon which looks like a pin. When you click it, it turns blue. That means it is pinned. What does that mean? It means you will find it next time here next to the extension icon. So you don't need to click the extension. Okay, so what can I get from that? It will be always visible in your toolbar when you pin it. You can view and save transcripts, and you can open the dashboard instantly. Let me show you my own, page. So for example, it's pinned already, and it is here actually. This is the icon. This is the extension icon, and either you can click from here and choose the extension, Tactiq extension, and you will get something like this. Or if you already pin it, you will find this small cloud here. You click it, and this is what you will get. The interface language, I chose English. You can change the transcription language during the meeting in the Tactiq widget, and it will show you also if you have any unsafe transcripts. For example, here I have 5. I can view them if I wish. You can go to your Tactiq dashboard or the homepage from here, and what you will see, let me show you mine. Okay, this is my Tactiq homepage. Okay. On the left side, you find this menu here, my meetings, all the meetings, all the the information like transcription and the AI tool, for each meeting is here. Clicking the meeting will allow you, use the AI tools. You are eligible to use under the free version. Of course, you are eligible to use 5 AI tools or features monthly. Okay. And 10 meetings can be, linked to Tactiq monthly. After, so if you add Tactiq, today, and then next month, your credit will be renewed. Okay, so when you click, for example, my meetings, okay, what can I see? Each one of here is a meeting. If I click one of them, you will see something like this. So this is one of the meetings. I can choose any of these features, but you remember every month you are allowed only for 5 across all the meetings. So I really, I highly recommend going for slides, okay? And it will produce, very, good, really organized slides based on the, of your meeting and the, transcription. And the slides are editable, and you can add more slides if you wish. And here you can share the meetings. It shows you also the credits. So a lot of cool things are here. Let me take you back to the, what else can you see? You can get free meetings. Okay, for example, if you see here, I have used 6 of my 10 meetings. Okay, this is the free version. I haven't uploaded yet. Okay, and I haven't upgraded, sorry, yet. And I have used all my, 5 AI credits. So I need to wait until it's renewed, and then I can, use them again. And as I said, the AI credit means, these are the AI credits. Okay. So if I want to get free meetings, so I can just click here. It will take me to another, small, space where I can invite users to use Tactiq. Okay, how to access it? Now, once you start, sorry, Tactiq will just, work automatically once the meeting, starts, and it will end automatically once, you end the meeting. And while you are, handling your online session, you can make changes in the, the language, you can also highlight keywords. Okay, there's something here. Yeah. Okay. And as I showed you, like, in the dashboard, you can see the full transcription. And by the way, you receive also an email of the transcription. Okay, you can go for summaries, slides, and a lot of people use Tactiq for business, and that's why they go for reports and other things as well. Okay, so at the end, I hope you find it useful. Remember, the magic of AI is no use without you, the super teacher. Thank you, and see you next time in another video.